Hi there, welcome to our latest project in Mid-Levels, Hong Kong. It was designed for a really fun newlywed couple, Ashley and her husband Troy.
When we were looking through your past projects, we were really attracted to the open space concept across a lot of the homes with liquid interior.
What I thought was a really fun process is with getting your style and Troy's style and bringing it together in a very harmonious way. I think both of you have like very strong types of design senses, but then it was about, creating a space that had both of your personalities in one. And when we look at your Pinterest boards and then see like the everyday life, then we know how to select the things that kind of reflect your personality.
Yeah, that's true. For us, the living room is always the wow factor, even when we walk in. Same for our family and friends who come, because we love entertaining, hosting larger groups, and at some point, we want it to be family friendly as well.
As your interior designer, it's about like finding the best parts of each idea and then putting it all together to create something uniquely you. I love when I come to the site and then I see our client, they match their home.
Yeah.
And we know that, okay, we did a great job because this is really you.
My favorite part of the home has to be the kitchen. It's actually a suggestion from the interior design team to open it up. I can still be part of the conversation with our family and friends at our dining room table.
What has changed in your health and wellness and your eco-friendly lifestyle since you've started living here?
The one thing we didn't know about liquid interiors was the eco principles and practices that you guys had. For us, we're really mindful about not using a lot of electricity in general during the day just because we get so much natural light. The idea of using natural wood versus like a lacquered coating or like lots of varnished wood pieces, like this table that you guys actually suggested and I ended up doing research on. It's actually like an aged piece of wood, so nothing comes the same, and it gives a lot of texture to the home.
So what I think is most meaningful when completing a project is really knowing that our clients have really got it. And they have actually increased their awareness about sustainability and their own health and wellness. I really feel that this has enhanced not only your well-being, but that knowledge is something that like you and Troy have incorporated into your personality.
The bedroom has been really great because it's helped us really relax before we go to bed. Everything kind of from the mattresses that you guys have sourced for us to, the blackout curtains have really helped us, go to bed properly and settle into a really good bedtime routine.
When you hear about these kind of nightmare kind of cases with interior designers, it's really because they haven't communicated to you. So for us, we really pride ourselves in how we communicate to our clients, how the vision is coming together in terms of, mood boards, and then how that goes into like 3D sketches so that you can look around and see every single corner, every single drawer, and then also into 3D renderings so that you can really have a sense of the lighting quality, the materials, and then into the drawings, the detailed drawings, so you can see, okay, this is what it's going to look like in this cabinet and that cabinet, and then also down to even the styling, so like to put those on board so that you have the choices. Thank you so much again for letting us be a part of this milestone in your life. Every single one of our clients comes to us with a vision of their sanctuary, and I really think that we created the perfect one for you and Troy.
Like and subscribe!